Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I want to show you guys how to draw Piggy from the Elephant and Piggy books. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin in the middle of our paper, and I'm going to draw his nose. So I just want to make a nice little oval. So I'm just going to draw a little oval shape right in the center, just like that. Now, right above the oval, we want to make the eyes. So I'm just going to draw an oval that's at an angle like this. And then I'm going to draw another one that's at an angle on the other side. Then you just want to color these in so that they are all filled in. He's got pretty big eyes. Then I'm going to make two little lines inside the nose. Now, he's got a big smile, and his smile is going to go from one end of his nose all the way to the other end. So you just want to start here, and you want to keep it pretty close to the nose, and then just come right back up here. Now, for his face, I'm going to start here, and I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve down like this. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, just kind of curve down. Then I'm going to draw a line that goes up and then down with a point for one ear. And then you just want to do the same thing on the other side, just kind of go up and down with a point. Then I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to go up and down to connect it. And then you want to draw a line like this and like this for the eyebrows. Now, starting right here on the face, I'm just going to make a little line that's just going to kind of curve down for like a little wrinkle. And then for his arm, I'm going to make a line that goes straight out like this. Then I'm going to go in and then back out. And then I'm just going to bring it straight back to the body. Then starting here, I'm just going to add a little curve for the body. Now, over here, I want to do the same thing. So I'm just going to draw a line that's just going to go out. It's going to come back and then out again. Then I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come back like this. Now, I'm going to start up here, not on this end, but a little bit inside, and I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come right to here. Then, for this leg, you just want to draw a line going down, and then another one on the other side. And then just draw a little kind of triangle shape. Then he's got a little tail back here. So I'm just going to draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve out, and then it's going to come back like this. And then I want to have this other leg sticking out over here. So you're just going to draw a line that's just going to go out. It's going to go back in and out again like we did before on all of these. And then I'm just going to bring it back like this. And there you go. There is your drawing of Piggy from the Elephant and Piggy books. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed.